Meaning of footnote.
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 Footnote. A footnote is a piece of additional information or commentary that appears at the bottom of a page in a book or document. Footnotes are commonly used in academic writing to provide readers with references or further explanations on a topic without disrupting the main text. They typically contain citations to sources, explanations of terminology or concepts, or additional examples. Footnotes are numbered sequentially throughout a document and are usually referenced within the main text with superscript numbers. Overall, footnotes serve as a helpful tool for readers to deepen their understanding of the text.